Welcome back. We are at it again. Today is day 3 of working out in the yard and finally getting things planted. So yesterday I left you with, we've done some of that. We've been working more on that, but as you can see, the greenhouse is now gone. So we spent all morning taking that down and we did some tree pruning. So there's a reel coming up on, I think it's on Instagram already. You can see more information on that, and I'll probably add it to this video. And here's the container that I was doing the cuttings for the 4 o'clocks, and I just took the plastic off today, so it's the first day they've actually been open, but they're doing really, really well. So these were just the cuttings, and you can see they've started to grow some roots and whatever. So I don't know, they've had no sun exposure. I mean, they've just been in this thing, so they'll need to get hardened off for a few days before I even think of planting them out. But they did really, really well. So I really like this idea of using these containers, and I sealed it up with the tape just like I do for the winter sowing containers, and I just used this to propagate. Worked great. Now it's time to plant up the micro tomatoes. The dwarf, I think they're pretty much all micro dwarf. A couple of these look really big, so they're not going to go into these little containers. I'm going to keep it to the smaller specimens, shall we say. I'm just going to very gently pull. Oh my goodness. I should have a knife. See that now? Can you see that? I think you can see that. Or we're gonna try one of these. I'm gonna just, oh my gosh, it came off. It looks so juicy. Ready? Oh, it's good. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, so this is the Bahaha. This is the Tiny Tim. That's almost ripe as well, but we're gonna wait. I'm gonna get a knife so I can cut these apart better, and then we're gonna plant them. And we're back. And I got like the world's largest utility knife. I don't even know where we got this. I don't. Oh my. The gloves. Oh, they're right here. Oh. Good thing I complained so fast. My hands are so dry right now that the thought of not. Between work and gardening, my hands are a mess. Okay. I'm just going to cut this chunk of 4 here. You can use scissors if you want it. Steak knife. Alright, so we're going to start with these 4. I don't know, this one seems, a little tipsy. Okay, so yeah, these are definitely going to need new labels once I get them planted up. Okay, so as you can see, it's still absolute and complete chaos. I was hoping to get the flamingos done today, but I'm the only one out here and I need help setting it up, so we'll do that first thing in the morning when we had shade still in that spot. So poppy over here. So in this one I have 2 black-eyed Susan vines, I have a couple coleus, impatiens, and lobelia, and a begonia I found sitting in there, so I tucked that in. This hanging basket, I just have a spider plant and the pink polka dot plant, because this one does not get much light at all. So jalapenos. So I bought a pack of jalapenos because for some reason I had lost my seeds, and there's like so many. Yeah, so this was $2.49 for the 4-pack, and there were actually 10 jalapenos in it, so that's awesome. I started my tower garden. So this one we have in here tumbling toms. So we have tumbling tom here and here, and then we have cilantro front and back, and this is a pineapple mint. I don't have anything else up here yet. Trying to figure out that in a minute. So the top here is petunias and 2 of the canary dwarf tomatoes. This one is so tiny, but it's such a tiny plant, and it's already got a little fruit on it. So some of these kind of got really dwarfed from the sun, blocked from the sun. Dwarfed, no, blocked. This is my tarragon that survived the winter in the container, so I just left it and added some tomatoes. So this one is the Bahaha. I don't know why I can't see the label, because she made white labels for all of them, but this is Bahaha. This is Orange Hat, these 2. This one I have the broadleaf thyme and some chervil. Down here we have, I should put the label in the front one. Oh, tumbling tom. So a couple more tumbling toms. Those germinated really well. And then down here, canary. So I have 2 more canaries. And then these just have different varieties of basil on it. I have not watered it in, so I will water it in and give it a good washing. The tomato row. Hi, baby. You're so tired. You have not had a nap all day, hardly. No. Just exhausting, getting in the way all the time and barking at all the dogs that are out barking. So these are my peppers left to go. This is the first round, so these are a lot bigger, and these are beautiful, and a few more basil. But I got all my tomatoes in. So, and I don't think I have like just a regular traditional red tomato this year. I don't know how that happened, but it's weird. So I have orange tomato, I have pineapple, I have chocolate cherry, I have white, I have 2 of the lemon, 1 blue beauty, 2 of the Amana orange. Nope, that says pea orange. Okay, so that's the peach orange. And that's an Amana orange. And that one did not have a label, so I planted the mystery tomato. And then I have 2 of the cucumber, and that's the weird I can't pronounce it. Hasuka cucumber. And then up in here, what do we have? I don't even remember. I think I got cucamelons, a climbing nasturtium, and some petunias, and a bit of the mint, because mint is always going in baskets. And down here I have my 2, can you see it from here? I'll come around this side. So in this nice tall container here, I have the 2 Armenian cucumbers, and a climbing nasturtium, and then a bit of mint in the middle. Nothing got planted in here today. This is a mystery, really large tomato. I think it's probably the Olapoka because it looks the same size as that one. So I don't know. I might pop a couple peppers in here. We'll see. That got potted up yesterday. You saw that. Mess of trays. And then the other big planter that I did. So it's looking kind of sad right now. But we have cannas in the back, several different kinds. I have an asparagus fern in the middle-ish. I have 2 of the jasper red millet, purple millet, some kind of millet grass thingy. 3 of the lime petunias, and then a handful of nasturtiums around. Like, I could pull a few of these out if I need some somewhere else, but we went all nasturtium crazy. And then I popped some 4 o'clocks in the back, which is probably a really bad idea, but you know. And then over here I have my butterfly peas in this container because this gets full sun. And I'll probably plant maybe a pepper in the front or something else, we'll see. And then what else got done today? Oh, this pile of ground cover. So my daughter came along here and she freed up my border. So I'm going to have to come back along with the alyssum and make my border in the curve, but now I have space to do that. So that was extremely helpful that she did that today. The irises are so pretty right now. So this is where we leave it on Saturday, end of day 3.